Tired of wrestling with design systems that feel like herding cats? When your color tokens live in 12 different shades of chaos, your button library is more fragmented than a broken mirror, and documenting handoffs feels like translating hieroglyphics for developers, we've got your back. This pack serves UX leads drowning in style guides, product designers battling inconsistent spacing systems, and front end collaborators stuck in endless revision loops. With modular SaaS SCSS tokens, fully annotated component variants in Figma, auto-generated markdown docs, and zero configuration handoff specs for Zeppelin or Avo code, you'll finally have time to perfect that "I'm busy" face. Here's what's inside the UI Design System Pack. Atomic Design Token Configuration with cascading variable inheritance, production-ready React Vue component libraries with accessibility baked in, dynamic documentation generators that sync with your Figma frames, developer handoff modules with CSS in JS export pipelines, version controlled changelog templates with release candidate checklists. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a kit, it's your new design system operating system. Installing the UI Design System Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add UI design-system pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: token architecture files, component source code, documentation generators, and handoff specification templates. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to validate design tokens, generate component docs, and prep handoff specs. Just don't blame us when your developer handoffs start suspiciously resembling actual conversations.